Gentlemen, I don't know what all to tell you about this tractor. I love the V8s, number one, myself. But this tractor came in. Man was 50 some years old. He was in the process of restoring it. I got a letter from his daughter. She used to ride as a little girl on this tractor. She's got a lot of memories. I'll give you that letter along with it. We have 3 of these right now. The one with the canopy, which was gorgeous. It's already sold. This one we're selling. And then we just got this one in. This is a one owner with cab and factory air. Totally rebuilt. The one we're selling to you today, this 1150. I absolutely love to hear this tractor run. I always wondered what they'd sound like with twin stacks. He put twin stacks on it. Here she is, guys. Listen to her. She is a nice running tractor. It starts like that all the time. It's just a good running machine. Not quite fully restored yet. I'll tell you what though. This quickly became my favorite. It's going to be your one opportunity. Matched rubber, top length, dual remotes. As you can see, the fenders, everything are very nice and straight. Still has a riddle. They said they didn't even want to paint over that emblem. The original MASSEY Ferguson emblem in there. Pretty cool. It's just a fun tractor to hear run. Don't miss her.